Hey, in front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this OnePlus. First of all, you need to access Settings. Then scroll down just a bit and click on Display and Brightness. From here, you need to select this gray sweater next to auto brightness and click on it. As you can see, after that, adaptive brightness feature is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same sweater one more time. If you want to, you can go into tab menu as well and click on this A icon next to brightness slider. If it's black, that means that auto brightness is now on. You can turn it off though by choosing this same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!